Hey guys, today we are going to be trying out some dough, and I got these two red and these blue and pink, and these kind of Play-Doh is the dough kind, and I just want to give it a little makeover. So we just gonna get this stuff I was trying to make with slide, and we just go put a little dip to it with the blue dough, and when we take it out, we just gonna start working it in with my hand, and it's gonna take for a while for it to get working with. And yeah, so like I said, it was gonna take a little bit a while, and we just gonna keep on working with it. And it's a little bit kind of sticky, but it's gonna be a little sticky because the stuff I had dipped in. And let's just keep on mixing it in until it get done. So now I got done kneading it, and it feels like a butter texture, and it feels very soft, and it's not that scratchy. I just wanted to make the dough a little makeover, and yeah. So now I'm going to be starting with the pink dough, and the reason I had dipped it a lot more than the blue one because the pink dough was harder than the blue one, and like I said, I just wanted to be like a smooth texture, and I just wanted to give it a little makeover. Now, once again, we're gonna have to start working with it, and this gonna take like more longer than the blue one. So let's just keep on working with it until we get done. And when I was doing it, the color was kind of changing with it. It was changing like a little purplyish, like, yeah, because when I add a little more blue, it has turned into like a purplish pinkish, and we just want to keep on working it, and it's still a little kind of sticky. So it's still a kind of sticky, but now it's all worked out and mixed in. It feels very smooth, and it's a little unbreakable, and it leaves crumbs all over the table, but it's okay. I just once again I just want to give it a little makeover, and I like it, and it's the same as the blue one. It feels like a butter texture, but yeah, like I said, it feels very good and smooth, and yeah, I liked this one. So now I'm done with everything, and I really like it. It's very smooth, and I like the blue one. It's very more softer than the purple one, and the pink one got a little blue in it. And I hope you guys enjoy this.